Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out these waders I got. I just opened up the package because I wasn't sure which product these were. But this is it here. It's waders, and they are nice and thick and kind of plasticky and stuff, so they're good. They don't have anything on the bottom, so I guess I don't know if they're waders or if they're just suspender things. But I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I have a size large that I got. Hopefully it's not too large on me. About 190 pounds or so, and 5'10", so let's see how it goes. It goes on pretty easy. I guess it's good if you're doing any kind of like wet work or anything like that you're going to get splashed or whatever. And it's got a little pocket up front that is nice. Fits me pretty good. Let me see if I can get back far enough so you can see. It's kind of a little bit long on there, but I could cinch up these, I guess, and pull it up a little bit. There, it looks like it might be at its longest at the moment. So I can pull these up, get them shorter. So you see, there we go. Kind of pulls it up a little bit. So they fit good. It's got the pocket up here. You can see what the back looks like there. It's good. I can sit down on it. So nice and big, nice and comfy. I could wear them over my jeans. I'm just have shorts on right now. But these are great. I like them. Super comfortable, super easy. Not sure how warm it'll get if I keep wearing them. But in the rain or something like that, these would be super handy. So I'll be using these here when it gets wet outside and I need to go outside. So it looks good to me. Thumbs up.